My name is Roman Svoboda. I'm manager of purchasing department. I am responsible for purchasing of spare parts for Lasselsberger company, Czech Republic. Lasselsberger and its brand 𝐒𝐀𝐂𝐌𝐈 has almost 140 years history. We have 5 production plants in Czech Republic. We produce and sell about 30 million square meters per year, and we have produced floor and wall tiles. And we produce thickness tile, 20 millimeters, and we are planning producing 30 millimeters thickness floor tiles. In recent years, Lasselsberger Group has invested in automation and process control. We started 5 years ago this smart maintenance contract, and we are very lucky with it. The SACMI technicians come twice a year. The big advantage from my point of view is that we know the cost for all the year for preventive maintenance. The next big advantage is that the SACMI technicians helps to our maintenance managers and workers to keep the machines in good conditions. Thanks to smart service, we are able to avoid the downtime of the machines. We also use SACMI Space app. With mobile application, it is possible to use QR code labeled on the machines, and our technicians are able to find the spare parts in catalog and open the tickets on SACMI Space app. I am using for purchasing of spare parts SACMI Space. From my point of view, using Space is very useful for us because we can see everything online. We can see the products, we can see the photo of spare parts, we can see the catalog. We can find there in the space delivery time and actual price of the spare parts. So finally, I have to say that we are very happy to use SACMI Space. We have good partnership with SACMI. I'm looking forward to using SACMI Space in the future as well.